So good morning students. So today we will do our next exercise number 14.2. In this exercise we have to try to find the mode for the group data. So the first question is the following table shows the ages of patient admitted in a hospital during a year. मतलब given क्या है कि हमें पूरे साल में जो पेशेंट्स एडमिट हुए हैं हॉस्पिटल में उनकी एजेस गिवन है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर एजेस. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट रो इज गिवन दैट इज एज इन ईयर्स. सो जिन पेशेंट्स की एज 5 से लेके 15 ईयर्स तक है वो कितने पेशेंट हैं? 6. द एज ऑफ पेशेंट फ्रॉम 15 to 25 they are 11. एजेस ऑफ पेशेंट फ्रॉम 25 to 35 they are how much? 21. जिनकी एज 35 से 45 तक है 23 है. 45 to 55 there are 14 patients and 55 to 65 there are 5 patients. So we have to find the mode and the mean of the data given above and compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So first we will find the mode for this given data. So what is the formula to find the mode? That is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So first we will see here which is the highest frequency. So highest frequency is 23. So we will take this class as class model class. ठीक है, मतलब आप इस क्लास को क्या लोगे? मॉडल क्लास. सो द क्लास इंटरवल फ्रॉम 35 to 45 is taken as our model class. So in this class interval the lower limit is 35, so it is N. N is what? The lower limit of model class. ठीक है. Next F1. F1 is what? F1 is the frequency of model class. So the frequency of this model class is 23. F0. F0 is what? Frequency preceding the model class. So इसके preceding मतलब इससे पिछली frequency कौन सी है? That is 21. Divided by 2 F1. So 2 F1 is 23. 2 into 23 it is 46. Minus F0. F0 is again this one 21. Minus F2. F2 is what? It is frequency succeeding the model class. So it is 14. Into H. H is the class size. So class size is how much? It is 10. Now 23 minus 21. It is 2. 2 into 10. How much? 20. 46 minus 21. How much? It is 25. 25 minus 14. 25 minus 14 is 11. Now divide this 20 by 11. It is 1.81. Now 35 plus 1.81 is 36.81. 36.81. So 36.81 is the mode for this data. Now we have to find what? Find the mean of the data. So to find the mean we have to apply a step division method. In step division method, we have to find first what? Class mark. So class mark is the average of lower class limit and upper class limit. So 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 by 2, 10. 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 by 2, 20. Next is 30. 40, 50 and 60. Now we have to find the value of ui. Ui is xi minus a divided by h. So a is our assumed mean taken from the middle term of class mark. So middle term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 terms. So middle one is either you can take third one or fourth one. So I will take this fourth one. Value of a is here 40. Alright. Now the next h. H is class size which is how much? 10. Now xi minus a. Xi is 10. 10 minus 40 minus 30. Minus 30 by 10. Minus 3. Next is 20 minus 40. Minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. 30 minus 40 minus 10. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. This one is 0. 50 minus 40 10. 10 by 10 is 1. 60 minus 40 20. 20 by 10 is 2. Now find the product of Fi and Ui. So first is 6 minus 3. Minus CD, 11 into minus 2 is minus 22. 21 into minus 1. Minus 21. 23 into 0 is 0. 14 ones are 14. 5 to 0 10. Now 14 plus 10 is 24. And minus 18 minus 22. It is minus 40. Minus 40 minus 21. It is minus 61. Now minus 61 plus 24. How much? Minus plus minus. 11 minus 4 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. So summation of Fi Ui is minus 37. Now find summation of Fi. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. Plus 4 15 plus 5 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. So summation Fi is 80. Now A is assuming that is 40 plus summation Fi Ui. It is minus 37. Summation Fi is 80 and class size is 10. Now cancel this 0 0. So it is 40 plus minus minus. 37 ones are 37 divided by 8. So it is 40 minus. Now divide this 37 by 8. 8 4 is 22. 37 minus 32 is 50. 8 6 is 48. 28 2 is 16. So it is approximate 4.62. Now subtract this 40 minus 4.62. It is 8 3 2. So it is 35.38 approximately. So it is the mean for this data. Now we have to compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So what can conclude here? We conclude that the maximum number of patients in a hospital having the age of 36.81 years and 35.38 is what on an average the age of 35.38 years is the age of patients admitted to the hospitals. Okay? Now next see question number 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime of 225 electrical components. So what is given in this question? That is, there are 225 electrical components and their lifetime in hours is given in this following distribution table. So the lifetime in hours is starting from 0 to 20 hours. So there are how many electrical components? 10. 35 electrical components having lifetime of 20 to 40 hours. 52 electrical components having lifetime from 40 to 60 hours and so on, given in this table. So determine the model lifetime of the components. Model lifetime. So model means you have to find here mode for this data. So the formula to find the mode is N plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So first we will check here which is the model class in this following class intervals. So first we will check here which is the highest frequency in this data. Highest frequency. So highest frequency is this one, 61. So this is taken as our model class. So in this model class, the lower limit is here 60. So it is N. N is what? Lower limit of the model class. So put here value of N is 60 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is the frequency of model class. So it is 61. Minus F0. F0 is the frequency preceding the model class. So it is 52. Divided by 2F1. So 2F1 is how much? 122. Clear, student? So you have to multiply 61 with 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Minus F0. F0 is again 52. Minus F2. F2 is frequency succeeding the model class. So it is 38 and multiply with H. class size of the following interval is how much? 20. So put here value of h, that is 20. Now 60 plus 61 minus 52, it is 9 divided by 122 minus 52. How much? It is 2 minus 2 0, 12 minus 5 7, 7 0 70. 70 minus 38. 70 minus 38 is 32 into 20. Now it is 60 plus. This is 2 times are 20 and 2 16s are 32. Now 9 times are, you can also cancel it further. 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So it is 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45 divided by 8. And it is 60 plus, divide this 45 by 8. So 8 5s are 40. Point 45 minus 40 is 5. Put 1 0, 50. 8 6 are 48. 20. 8 2s are 60. Right here approximately 5.62. Now add this 5.62 with 60. It is 65.62 hours. So 65.62 hours is the mode for this dart. Alright students, so this is your question number 2nd. Next, this is your question number 3rd. The question is, the following data gives a distribution of total monthly household expenditures of 200 families of a village. So the question is that the monthly expenditures for 200 family is given in this following distribution table. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Model monthly. Model means you have to find their mode and also find the mean monthly expenditures. और आपने mean भी find करना है. So first you can see here. So there are number of families given in the second column and expenditures in this first column, which is given in this class interval. So there are 24 families having expenditure from rupees 1000 to rupees 1500. 40 families having expenditure from rupees 1500 to 2000 and so on, given in this following table. So first we will find the mode for this 200 families. मतलब हम फाइंड करेंगे कि 200 families का जो मोड है वो कितना है. ठीक है. So first check here which is the highest frequency in this given distribution table. So highest frequency is this one, 4040. So this is our what? This is our model class. ठीक है. जो highest frequency होगी उस class को आप क्या लिखोगे? Model class. So in this model class, which is the lower limit? So lower limit is 1500. So right here 1500 plus f1 minus f0. f1 is the frequency of model class 40. f0 is the frequency preceding the model class 24. 2 f1. So 2 into 40 is 80. Minus f0. f0 is again 24. Minus f2. f2 is the frequency succeeding the model class. So it is 33. And h is class size. So the class size in this interval is 500. So it is 1500 plus 40 minus 24, 16. 80 minus 24, how much? It is 56. 56 minus 33. 56 minus 33 is 23 into 500. 1500 plus 16 into 500 is how much? 8000. 8000 divided by 23. Now divide this 8000 divided by 23. It is 347 on 82 approximately. Now add this number with 1500. It is 1847.82 rupees. Alright, so the mode for 200 family is rupees 1847 and 82 paise. Clear students? Next, find the mean using step division method. So you can see here, I will write here the first class interval. Now find the class mark. So class mark is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So lower limit is 1000 and upper limit is 1500. It is how much? 2500 divided by 2 is how much? 1250. Next is 1750. Next is 2250, 2750, 3250, 3750, 4250, 4750. Now in the next column, this is the frequency, and now we have to find UI. UI is xi minus a divided by h. So a is assumed mean, which is the middle term from the class mark. So in class mark there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. So which one is middle term? Middle term is either you can take fourth one or fifth term. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will take here fifth term as A. So A is 3250 and H is class size. So class size is 500. Now find the value for UI. UI is xi minus a. So 1250 minus 3250. How much? It is minus 2000. Minus 2000 by 500. It is minus 2. Next is 1750 minus 3250. Minus 1500. Minus 1500 by 500 is minus 3. Similarly, you can find the next value of UI. This is minus 2. This is minus 1. This is 0. This is 1, 2 and 3. Now find the product for Fi UI. So 24 into minus 4. Minus 96. 40 into minus 3. Minus 120. 33 into minus 2 is minus 66. 28 into minus 1. Minus 28. 30 into 0. 0. 22 ones are 22. 16 twos are 32. And 7 threes are 21. So with this formula, we have to find the summation of now Fi and UI and summation Fi. Summation Fi is given already. That is, there are total how many families? 200. So the summation Fi is 200. So now find the summation for Fi UI. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. It is 75. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. 2 carry. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 6 how much? 19. 19 plus 2 21. 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3. So it is minus 310. Now minus 310 plus 75. Minus plus minus. So 10 minus 5 5. 10 minus 7 3 2. So it is minus 235. So now put the value. So A is 3250 plus summation Fi UI. Summation Fi UI is minus 235. Summation Fi is 200 and value of H is how much? 500. H is our class size. Now you can cancel this 20 and 20 from numerator and denominator. So it is 3250 plus minus minus. Now you should multiply this 235 with 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17. 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So it is 1175 divided by 2. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Now subtract this 587.5 from 3250. It is 0.5, 9 minus 7 2, 14 minus 8 6, 11 minus 5 6 2 rupees. So the mean for this data is rupees 2662 and 50 paise. Alright student, so this is your mode and this is your mean for this data. Clear student? So this is your question number 3rd.